All right, we're getting ready to take a little hike. Me, Sarah, and Tina. We're going to go out to the Bald Knob Fire Tower and Wilderness Cabin. I think it'd be about a 3-mile hike from where we're at. We're going to walk out this road here. I think it's about 3 miles out, 3 miles back, so ought to be some fun. Looks like it might be just a little windy. We're walking up to the Bald Knob observation deck. And here's the tank that they refill the steam engines with up on Bald Knob. Been here on the train, but this is the first time we've ever walked up here. That's the Bald Knob Fire Tower. We took a couple detours, but we made it. Hopefully we can climb up into it. Bald Knob Fire Tower, it's one of the most remote in West Virginia. I made a statement in another video that there were 14 standing. There's 14 that are underneath the control of the West Virginia Department of Forestry. And then there's 28 fire towers actually standing in the state of West Virginia. This one's pretty close to where we have a camp. So, pretty cool. This is one of the most remote fire towers, if not the most remote fire tower in West Virginia. Pretty neat to be here. And then you got the Wilderness Cabin here that you can rent out and stay in. And Snowshoe Resort actually has horse rides that you can come ride a horse out here and have a wilderness experience. Let's see what kind of view we got from up here. Oh, this is steep. We actually made it to the top. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but that's the Snowshoe Fire Tower over there. And then you got Snowshoe, Silver Creek. There's the observation spot at Bald Knob where the train goes to. Cabin down below, Tina down below. This is one of the neater fire towers that we've been to. See if I can make it down with my phone in my hand. This is one of the steeper staircases we've been in.
I was going to come up, but I do not like those steps.
They're kind of difficult.
Yeah. I was already sneezing.
These are like the worst
Yeah.
to climb. It's
Yeah.
got a nice deck up there. Once you get up in the deck,
Yeah.
like
Well,
the wind blowing.
I was going to go, but I thought, I already am sneezing.
We figured since we were so close, we might as well walk up here to where the train stops on Bald Knob. And get us a video of the observation deck up here. Yeah, the elevation's 4,700 feet right here. You ride the train up, it's kind of crowded on the observation deck. We got it all to ourselves today.
I have self-service here.
Do you have self-service here?
Yeah. I just got 2 messages.
That's a pretty good view from here. We've got a cabin, me and my uncle, right down there. You can look up from it and see this observation deck. It's a little hazy today. Bring my telescope out there in the distance. Beautiful view. We made it back out to the gate, back out to the truck. It was about a 8-mile round trip if you didn't take no detours. We got to see Bald Knob Fire Tower and the Bald Knob observation deck that you would ride the Cass train to if you rode the train up from Cass. So, thank y'all for hanging in there with us, and we'll catch you later.